get the shit I done seen. Young boy done turned to a king. Then that boy J got a lot of cream. How that boy living out our dreams. Tryna figure out how to be mixed. He boy with some chicks on a light chick. I heard that boy time for a nice chick. Tryna see this shit clear through the chrome specs. They heard that boy got a water neck. The jet boy tryna find him like Nemo. When they knocking on, look through the.
Boy, trying today, man. We put our coilovers on and everything.
Back with a what?
Another
There, know what it is.
banger. Alright. So basically, we out on. I should have got a little footage already, but we don't put my coilovers on and my new upper control on. I got my boy here, Andrew right there back in the back. Lord, look at his truck. He's coming over with something. Got my boy Jack. Hey, he too clean. So let's go in and get to my truck right here real quick. Alright, basically, y'all see it right here. Got the coilover on here. Got the new upper control on. Y'all see it. Clean. New headlights already in there too, as you can see. I got the new headlights installed. Look at that right there, that coilover. We are sitting way bigger than we were before. We sitting about 1.5 inches taller than we was. Look at the angles with 1.5 inches taller. Still, everything looks good. I haven't pulled it out yet to see how it's gonna do, but look at those angles. Those angles are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, hold this camera here. We finna pull it out. Looking good right there, y'all see it? What a tape measure is.
Yeah, the new coilovers here. Got them in there. New control on. That's new control on. Coilovers. New control on up there.
Alright, we done made it home now. As you can see, everything look pretty good now. I ran into a few problems. One of my major problems was I didn't have the bolt to go to the bottom part, to mount the bottom part of the coilover.
So I had bolts on top too.
And then didn't have bolts on the top. My shop I last time took it to, I guess they lost my bolts.
It's all good though.
But it's all good. We went to Home Depot and got all new bolts and everything. As you see, this is the upper control that's supposed to be in it. Looks a whole lot better right there.
And we still got to adjust it a little bit to go up a little higher.
Yeah. We gotta do a little few adjustment. Right now we don't have that tool to actually adjust it. One of my friends got a coilover tool to adjust it, and we're gonna preload to get it, a tad higher and be exactly where it is. Because it's actually on the soft side. If you look real close, you see all that thread left. It's still on the soft side. I mean, it's floating right now, and it's not really as high as it's supposed to be. It's probably like now 7.5. I think it's slightly higher than it was with the rough country strut, but not quite as high as it's still quite the 8 inches. It needs a little bit more preload on it, but we're gonna let my friend do all that right there. And
we're gonna be in there like money.
But check it out. It looks a whole lot better with the lowers and upper matching now.
Everything looks so more symmetrical.
Everything looks symmetrical. I mean, perfect. Looks real good. So,
and you got the ghost over there next to it.
Heck yeah. And that's the new headlights too. Check out the new headlights. I know I was talking about it a little earlier, but hey, they look a whole lot better. They sent me another one. I know I made a sort of the headlights right here. There was when they sent it to me, because as you know, the first time they sent me some damaged headlight lenses, so they instead of refunding my money back, they just sent me some new ones, which I'm not mad about that, because I actually wanted these anyway, and the new ones were actually built a whole lot better. I guess I got a bad batch, or somebody had sent them in damage, and then they just sat and sent it back to me. whatever the case is. But these right here are definitely built a lot better than the ones that they send me. So as you can look right here, it looks good. Looks great actually. So we pretty much got everything we need now for scraping. I mean, I'm still debating on pulling the gas tank off and powder coating the brackets. I'm also debating on, as you can see, powder coating this hitch right here. I definitely need to powder coat that red so that it match right there. Just little small detail things. I got my brother right here. We still got a few detail things we need to do the hems, touch up on the frame a little bit. But yeah, everything is turning out pretty good. I mean, I'm pretty satisfied the way it rides and everything. You know, the shop I took it to told me they didn't think they could put it on there, but as you can see, it's on there. So, you know, we got everything hooked up. The lift is pretty much fully installed now. We just need to do a little preload on that, but we're gonna get that knocked out. Hopefully this is going on week.
But anyways, like I said, we Ghost got a little few things we gotta do too. We're gonna have her ready.
Yeah.
A few more things on the floor before we get her ready. But yeah, if y'all going down to the Scrape of the Coast, man, come holler at us. We're gonna be down there, us and some of my group, man. Not all my boys can make it this year, but you know, things happen. They had stuff they had to take care of, which I understand. But next year, they'll be down there with us. But this year, y'all look for us. We're gonna be down there. Me and my brother, King Boys. And if you want a truck review, something with your truck, man, holler at us, man. We do a truck review while you down there, man, because any content is good content, you know.
Yeah.
So y'all holler at us. We'll be down there. Anything else you got to say?
Pretty much nothing else, really. You know, it's King Boy channels. You know,
We out here.
We up.